I'm not going to give you a 21-day challenge, not a 90-day plan, and definitely not another motivational speech that makes you feel good and then you forget everything. Today, I'm giving you a 24-hour reset system. A system that can reset your mind, your energy, and the direction of your life. But there's one condition. This is not for people who just want to listen. This is for those who are ready to be honest with themselves, even for one day. Because the truth is, your life is not stuck because of your luck, your background, or your situation. Your life is stuck because you've been lying to yourself. And you know it. So let's fix it, starting today. Step 1. Choose one day. Just one day. From the moment you wake up, no distractions, no mindless scrolling, no running away into noise. Just you and your mind. And understand this before you start. This day will feel uncomfortable. You will feel the urge to escape. You will tell yourself, just 1 minute, just one check. And that moment is the most important moment. Because when the noise stops, everything you've been avoiding comes up. Those thoughts, those feelings, the truth. Step 2. The mirror ritual. Stand in front of a mirror. No music, no motivational quotes, no fake affirmations. Just look at yourself and ask one question. What am I trying to become? Don't answer it quickly. Feel it. It will feel awkward, heavy. But that feeling shows you where you are compromising with yourself. Because until you are honest with yourself, no system, no strategy will ever work. Step 3. Write what you're avoiding. Pick up a notebook. Write just one sentence. I am avoiding blank. Be real. It could be your work, your health, a decision you keep delaying, a responsibility you pretend doesn't exist. Now pause and say it to yourself clearly. I am avoiding blank. This won't solve your problem, but it will expose it. And once you stop hiding, you stop repeating the same cycle. That's where change begins. Step 4. The 60-minute reset. Set a timer for 60 minutes. This 1 hour is non-negotiable. Divide it into 3 parts. First 20 minutes, body move. Walk, stretch, push-ups, anything. Not for perfection, for activation. Your body doesn't need motivation, it needs movement. Next 20 minutes, mind. Write everything in your head, overthinking, fear, anger, confusion. Don't filter it, don't judge it, empty it. Because a cluttered mind cannot create a clear life. Last 20 minutes, stillness. Sit in silence, no phone, no stimulation. Just stay. At first, it will feel boring, then uncomfortable, then clear. You will realize something most people never understand. You are not busy. You are distracted. And distraction is the real reason your life feels stuck. Step 5. The night mirror. Before the day ends, stand in front of the mirror again. No questions, no excuses. Just say this. Today, I didn't run. Not a perfect day, but a real one. And most people never live even one real day. Understand this clearly. One day will not change your life. But one honest day will show you exactly why your life hasn't changed. And once you see the truth, you can't unsee it. That's where everything begins. So don't overthink this. Don't wait for the right time. Don't look for more motivation. Choose one day and face yourself. Because until you do that, nothing changes. And if you do, everything starts changing. Start today.